Here it is, the largest displacement engine ever offered from Harley-Davidson. Increased horsepower, increased torque, maximum bragging rights. Assembled right here in Wisconsin with the same high quality standards you'd expect from Harley-Davidson. Now this engine features CNC-ported heads, larger bored cylinders, 64mm throttle body, high compression pistons, high lift cams, and other high performance upgrades, all designed and tested by Harley-Davidson. Offered as a complete crate engine to simplify the upgrade. There's no need to mess with individual component swaps. Now this comes with unique Screamin Eagle and Stage 4 badging on the heads, as well as 131 badging on the timer cover. This includes an HD-backed warranty which can be extended through the custom coverage program, and it will not impact vehicle warranty when installed at a Harley-Davidson dealership. For more information on this beast of an engine, the Crate 131, talk to your local Harley-Davidson dealer.